Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set the default font of your choice in Microsoft PowerPoint for both new and existing presentations. Whether you're preparing a formal business presentation or working on a creative school project, having a consistent font across your slides can make a big difference. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. If you already have a presentation, open it, or start a new one if you're setting this up for future use. Next, go to the View tab at the top of the screen. From here, click on Slide Master. This gives you access to the master slide layout, where any changes you make will apply across all slides and templates. Now, with the Slide Master open, focus on the font dropdown on the right-hand side. Click it to reveal a list of available fonts. Scroll through and select the font that best suits your needs or personal style, whether it's a classic option like Times New Roman or a clean modern font like Calibri. After selecting your preferred font, it will automatically apply to all slides using that layout. If you have multiple slide layouts, repeat this process for each one to ensure consistency throughout your presentation. And that's it. Your PowerPoint presentation will now carry your chosen font as a default, making it uniform and professional with minimal effort. These settings will apply each time you create a new presentation or open an existing one with the same layout. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make professional and cohesive PowerPoint presentations with ease. Happy presenting!